Hi guys, I thought of replacing this right hand side combination switch with the new one over here. Unfortunately, I found out that this button is broken. See the one over here? It has an extension here, but this one doesn't have that thumb grip. Even the replacement part is broken. And another problem I have with replacing this combination switch is that the wiring for this goes under the fuel tank over here. So I need to lift the fuel tank to replace even that wire. But the bad news is that I have a full tank of fuel inside. So it's pretty difficult for me to lift this up by myself. So that's another reason why I've decided to go against replacing this combination switch. I'll disassemble this replacement part as well and remove the heater switch from here and put it onto here. So that's the plan right now. I'll show you how to disassemble the right combination switch. There are two tiny torque screws, one here and one over here. As soon as you remove those two, you can actually pry this open. You need a T8 torque screw to remove these screws. You can use a flathead screwdriver to pry this open, or you can use a prying tool. Just be careful of this button, the heater grip button. Yeah, so that's it, it came out. The only issue is I do not know where this part goes, and this thing fell off last time. I think it goes inside here, but I have to make sure that when I remove the combination stock from my motorbike, I should be careful where I notice this. It's very important. Alright, so now we actually need this button. So to remove this button, it's quite easy. Just use a flathead screwdriver to squeeze this inside. And this button comes out. So to remove the combination switch, we have two screws, one over here and one underneath here. As soon as you remove these two screws, this combination switch should come out. Let's go for the bottom one. You need to remove this screw. It's a tiny screw. Now this should come out, hopefully. So now we're going to disassemble this right combination switch the same way we did with the other one. So the other screw is underneath this sticker. There you can see the screw underneath there. We need to remove that. So make sure you remember where the position was. This is in the on position. The hole is at the bottom here. Where is that white one? Yeah, it is at the bottom. It is correct. Let's do it gently. There's one here. Yeah, this is the other switch. Put this on first. Put this cover back on. And now we can put this back in. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. Let's put the screws back in place.